people? It's your boy Trill, or Yogi Cobbler. Now, for most people that are on my channel and page, it's a yoga and meditation page, health and wellness, all of those things. But today, we're gonna dive into my other love, third love, which would be sneakers. I've been doing a course, Sneaker Essentials course, through Yellow Brick that is tapped in with the Fashion Institute of Technology up in New York, online course. And I've been doing this course for about a year now. Done. This is the last thing, and the last project that I have to do is an unboxing. Now, I don't buy new shoes often. I've been an apprentice at a cobbler shop for about 2 years now, cleaning sneakers. Really been organizing and learning the business. I've been organizing his store and learning the business, but that's a whole nother story. I don't usually buy shoes often, but I did buy a new pair of shoes a few months ago, but I'm gonna unbox them today like they're new. But it's from a brand that I've never heard of until I saw a picture on Instagram, sometime in 2018, that has a pair of boots called Wampalands. I saw a picture of Future with them on. And I saw that he tagged the company, or I saw the company tag themselves in the comments. I was like, all right, let me check it out. So I checked out the shoes that they had, and I was like, oh, they don't just do boots, they do sneakers. They do some of everything. And I wouldn't say I fell in love with it, but I like the idea that, they're an independent brand, of course. Clearweather brand is an independent brand. Started by two brothers, and they hand make every shoe. Well, I know that they hand make every original pair, and I believe they have a system to where they have every pair made, but they also have a new pair every week, something of that nature. It's really inspiring because I am, like I said, an apprentice of a cobbler who has 65 plus years that don't need help, but he's trying to transition into living the rest of his life while I'm trying to figure out what I want to do with the rest of my life, with me being 28, going on with everything that I do. And I want to tie in everything that I'm interested in into my life so everything can be lovely. But for the unboxing, I got a pair of their popular sneakers, the Interceptors. Here's the box. Very clean cut. Here's the logo that they have. You see it, clear weather around the sides. Very simple tag on the box. But here we go. This side. Open up, and what do we find? Your goal, baby. Yes, sir. Yes, ma'am. Beautiful shoes I love. I use them in everything that I do. I've accidentally worked out in these. I've gone on a hike through some real mountains. Well, not real mountains, but it was in a real trail in Huntsville, Alabama. I live in Montgomery. But you can see the details. You see they have the logo here on the tongue. EVA foam, colorful foam. In the bottom, I like this, what they did. The last color here, the same in the front. They use for the tongue and for the inside as well. But like I said, EVA foam, very comfortable. The tracking is very comfortable, especially for hiking. I did catch like a lot of rocks in it, bigger rocks, but it's still comfortable regardless. And it has a Huarache sock feel to them. I'll bring the other one out. Just had that on the model. But the Huarache sock feel is very, very, very comfortable. And you can see the elastic here on the sides. It flips whenever you put them on forcibly, but there's nothing to flip it and come back on. And they really look like shoes of the future. They look like some people are like, hey man, what kind of Yeezys are those, or what kind of Pumas are those? But no, I give them and I plug them. I don't know these guys at all, but I appreciate what they do. There's some suede here on the toe that needs to be clean, but I'm a cobbler. I can do that. And the only thing that I did not like was I should have gone up a half a size for myself. These are a 10.5. That's the size I wear, and most of the sneakers I wear, Nike. Yeah, Nike. I usually wear Janoskis all day. But they're on tight, slightly snug in this toe area. But other than that, it's exactly what I asked for and what I wanted. The shoes are very light, very comfortable, compact. You don't get any, because it's an EVA sole, they can bend, and with it being pretty much like a sock feel, you can scrunch it up. You won't have any toe markings or anything like that. Nobody gonna step on it and then make you mad, because you can clean it off very well. And also that came with the box is, let's see that. Here we go. Pair of interchangeable laces. Black with light blue, matching the blue here. But yeah, very creative company. Very comfortable shoes. The Interceptors, they have different colors. And like I said, they have different shoes on sale. Well, they have a sale going on every time if you check your emails, if you ever order from them. But they come out with a different shoe every week, and they're very creative, and the coloring is nice. I like the originality, because it comes in on the Achilles like so, and it just sits comfortably. I wear them with sweats, I wear them with pants, I wear them with shorts. Yet to wear them with a suit, because I don't believe in suits anymore. Well, not as much as I used to. But like I said, very comfortable and very usable in everything that I've listed. I've done that. I can't lie about the things that I do. But like I said, it's your boy Trill. I appreciate the time. I appreciate the opportunity. Fits Fashion Institute. And I hope y'all come to see me with some more stuff for shoes from time to time, but yoga as well. So peace, not apart, together. Love.